Hey teachers, today I'm going to show you how to make a visual note template similar to sketchnoting. I've sketchnoted with my students before, but I've never been able to figure out how to do it quickly. They're always very picky about how they draw the picture and things like that. And so I thought of making some kind of template, like a fill in the blank type template, but I want to use AI to do that. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So first I'm going to start with my PowerPoint. I do my PowerPoints a little bit different. I don't put as many words on my PowerPoints. I put most of the words down here in the notes section. And so what I'm going to do first is download the printer view so that it has the notes in it. And I want to go up here and choose the slide with the notes, and I'm going to download that as soon as it comes up. My computer is going super slow. So I'll download that as a PDF, and then that way it has the information that I want the kids to know. Then I'm going to go into Notebook LM. This is where the first part of the magic happens, and I'm going to create a notebook. I already have one created, but I'm going to do another one for you guys just so that you can see how it works. So when you come in here, think of Notebook LM as like ChatGPT, but with guardrails. So instead of using the whole internet to get its information, it's only using the information that you give it. So I'm going to feed it with my, if I can find it, where did I put it? I'm going to feed it with my information that I got from that PowerPoint. It's right here. And I'm going to upload it into that notebook. Now, I can put as many sources in as I want, but these sketch notes are going to be specifically for this presentation and only for this presentation. So I'm not going to put anything else in it. I have another video on Notebook LM if you want to check out a quick tour and overview of what Notebook LM does. This one is just going to be about sketch notes though. I'll put the link to the other video in the comments. But what I'm going to do first is go over here and create an infographic. You can tell it what you want it to look like. If you want it to, be a specific type of thing. Let's say you've got kids that really like some Legos. You can make it kind of like that. I think this one's really cute. I've done that one before and it's cute. But I'm going to do a Sketchnote one. I want it to be detailed because maybe I'm going to use this one for AP and I'm going to generate it. And you can literally do one for an AP class. You can do one for an academic class and differentiate, and that way have more information or different images based on your class. Okay, let's check this out and see what it made for me. So this is the sketch note. Okay, this looks pretty good. It's got all my information. This could be something that I could use with AP for sure. So what I'm going to do is go over here and download it. And then I'm going to hop over to Canva. And when you get into Canva, what you do is go up here to create custom size. And I'm going to start with an 8 by 11 right now, and I'm going to do inches. I'm not sure though exactly what size that's going to be. So what I'm going to do is put it in there as just 8 by 11. Oh yeah, this is definitely going to be wrong because I put it in the wrong orientation. But what you're going to do is upload that first. So upload that file. And then I'm going to resize this because obviously it's going to be wrong. Now I want it to be bigger than that, but if you look here, you can see what the width and height is right now. So I'm going to do about 10 by 6 when I resize it. Oh, I already have a 10.9 by 6.1. I did a different infographic, so that's probably why it was there. But let's see how that works out. Boom, that's awesome. Okay, now here's where the magic happens. If you go to edit They have this new function right now called Magic Layers, and it is amazing. I've spent so much time in Photoshop doing this previous to this tool. This is a great tool. So give it a minute and check it out. Now all of these are layers. So what I want to do is make this like the migration key so that I have it as a full printout. Let's say if a student is absent or something like that, I might give them this. And then I'm going to make a copy. This is going to be the actual sketch note that I would give students. So I'm going to put sketch note up here, or S note, and then I can go in here and simply delete these things. And these would be what students would write to take notes. How awesome is that? And you have some pictures. Now, the only picture that I don't have is something for this Australia policy. So probably what I'm going to do there is just add in an image. Let's see if I can find one. Search elements, Australia. Yeah, we'll just put that in there. Uh-oh. Ah, I don't want it to be that big, and I don't want it to take over. Hold on. let me just do this. Click on it, double click on it. There we go. Oops, I put it in there twice. And put that right down there. I'm going to change the color so it goes with my theme. And boom. Now I have, I don't know what that little, what this is though. Let's see if I can, no. I'll just put this over it. There we go. Now I have my sketch notes ready to go just like that. How awesome is that? And what's great is this is so visual. So for our emergent bilingual students, this helps them understand, oh, penal colonies has something to do with prison, and the British colonies, they were growing sugarcane. So it really, really helps with that visual aspect of notes. You can even take out the title if you want them to write that in, or whatever you want them to write it in. If you need to change out a picture, it's just super flexible. Once you get the magic layers put on there, you save this, print it out for them, and you're good to go with your sketch notes. I hope this was super helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day teaching.